earlier in the year, this school won their fourth Issa Grace Shield Cricket Champions title. They've conquered the cricket grounds, but can they conquer the stage? We're about to find out. Here is Inswood High with The Lord is My Shepherd.
Okay, Inswood, not a bad performance at all. I wish some of the other sections were as strong as the tenor section. The tenor section was really nice and secure and strong. Everybody else need to come up to that as well. Just be careful. Sometimes you're singing chords that the band isn't playing. You're not singing the right notes for some parts. All right, so just be careful of that.
Inswood, cricket champions. The vocal blend was like 6 runs. The sopranos, you were a little bit weak at the beginning, but as you progressed and the parts came together, I enjoyed it.
Inswood, I want to tell you that the Lord is my shepherd is a good thing. So therefore, you should not be that serious. I mean, I think you're trying so hard to sing the song that you were also very serious. But you delivered very well. Your melodies sounded nice. I would have loved if you sounded stronger coming on, and I shall dwell in the house of the Lord. My favorite part of the song, though, is He Leadeth Me, when all the parts came together. It was very nice.